ChatGPT uninstalls spiked 295% in one day. Claude hit #1 on the App Store. I switched everybody over. Here is why.
OpenAI hunts projected loss of $14 billion, cash payout by 2027. Anthropic hunts revenue doubled to $20 billion. You picked the right horse.
Chat, Chrome, Cowork, Code. 4 tools, 1 ecosystem. Everything lives together. That is why the best operators in the world switch to Claude.
Claude thinks better. He writes better. At Martell Ventures, Claude discovered correlations in our data that ChatGPT completely missed.
Claude in Chrome turns your entire browser into an AI-powered workspace. It sees what you see, navigates for you, extracts all your data, free. Cowork runs on your actual computer, opens apps, organizes files, sends updates. Schedule it once, it runs forever. Stack 10-minute tasks, get hours back daily. I gave Cowork access to hundreds of my past slides, gave it one outline. It found the images, built the layouts, populated the copy.
Claude Code creates landing pages, tools, and automation in plain English. No coding required. He's built real things.
I shut my company down for 2 days. 100 people. Every team built tools that automated their workload. Everyone left confident. 3 times the output after.
1 voice prompt. A ready-made landing page. Don't like the design? Say, for example, make it look like Apple. Done. Chat thinks, Chrome researches, Cowork executes, Code builds, all one ecosystem. You stop doing the work, you start directing it. That is the whole idea. Scared to lose your ChatGPT memory? Don't be. Settings, capabilities, import memory. 2 minutes. Everything transfers. Nothing left behind. 0 reason to wait. Connect Gmail and Google Docs. Tell Claude, build a write like me skill from my last 50 emails. Watch it learn your voice. Now it writes exactly like you. What is your challenge? Use Claude as your main AI for 1 week. Not backup, not test. Primary tool, hardest problems. Then come back and tell me what changed. If you had a full engineering team app, what would you build? Leave it in the comments. Because that team exists now. It is called Claude Code. Go use it. Want to do twice the work in half the time? DM me YouTube AI on Instagram. I will send you my AI cheat sheet for CEOs and their teams. Free.
Here is the big idea. You do not need to do the work. You need to direct it. Be the director, not the doer. That is where your value actually lives.
Chat, Chrome, Cowork, Code, all one tab, all one memory, no switching, no starting over. That structural advantage alone makes Claude the only choice. Same context window, different quality. Claude stays sharper, more relevant. It feels like a smart person on your team, Hank, not a tool that is annoyed with you.
We analyzed both platforms. ChatGPT provided superficial answers. Claude, however, discovered correlations between income ranges and pain points. You talk 3 times faster than you type. Use whisper flow. Dictate to Claude while driving, walking, cooking. Your voice is the fastest keyboard you already own. Connect Gmail, Calendar, Slack, Notion, GitHub, Google Drive, Cuss, all to Claude. Give it your quarterly goals. Ask it to analyze your time. Record any workflow inside Chrome. Claude watches every click, documents every step, produces a complete SOP automatically. AI repeats it. Leave a comment and tell us which tool to choose first. Learn how to get the best results from any AI. 3 steps, all free. Try them now. Hey Claude Go, tell me how cool I am, and watch what it says. That right there, Soph, that is why we switched. See you on the other side.